Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOunce. So today I try to activate the Jio 5G unlimited data via my Xiaomi Mi 11i 5G Android mobile, but unfortunately it shows one message: Jio welcome offer not applied. Stay tuned, you will be informed once the Jio welcome offer is applied. Kindly ensure that you have a 5G compatible device. But here I have a 5G Android mobile. Then why it shows this kind of message and how to overcome this issue. And this is occurs for four possible reasons. And the first one is if your area does not have a 5G network, it shows this kind of message. And the second one of the reason is maybe your device does not support Jio 5G bands, which means that this Jio 5G network only available on N28, N78 and N258 bands. And the third one of the reason is if you like to get this Jio welcome offer, you must recharge the minimum amount of rupees 239, and this is very mandatory one. And the final one of the reason is just change your Jio 4G network settings to Jio 5G network. So if you follow this I mentioned four conditions, you are eligible for this Jio welcome offer. So how to check it? If your area have a 5G network or not? So by simply open your MyJio application and then tap your mobile number and scroll down. So here you can press this option 5G coverage check and then select your state as well as district. So by using this way you can easily check your 5G coverage area. So now I decide to change my Jio plan to rupees 239. But friends, now this time you can see I successfully get this Jio welcome offer, and also I am eligible for Jio 5G unlimited data. So overall I complete my tutorial. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOunce, and thanks for watching.